So it is December. It is Vlogmas. So I wanted to share with you some things to do in New York. So we're going to start out with one of my favorite things to do in New York around the Christmas season. And of course, it is Bryant Park if you haven't ever been. It's great all year round, but then they have special little holiday shops. They have the ice skating. Last year was the first time I saw it. They had the little igloos where you can rent those for about an hour and a half and you can watch the ice skating, have hot chocolate, things like that. So Bryant Park is a great place to go if you are looking for something to do in the city this Christmas. You might want to head over that way. And then, of course, the city is filled with so many other things to do. But like I said, I'm going to name 10 of the things that I think you should be trying out this Christmas. And then we have Wonderland at the one observatory. It's going to be great views. So they have a little thing set up where you can take like photo opportunities and stuff. The places are there all year round, but they have a little Christmas theme going on. So then you can have a little Christmas themed pictures and things like that. You can grab something to eat, you can shop, and you can look at the great views. This is a ticketed event, so you will have to pay for that. And then we have the Rockefeller Center Christmas tree. The tree is free. The lighting has already passed, but there are paid events that you can do. You can do ice skating there. You can do other things there. But the tree, like I said, is free and it is a must stop if you are in New York for this holiday season. So you want to get over there and you want to do that one. Then we have Fifth Avenue and the Christmas lights. All right, so any kind of shopping in the city is going to be great. But around Fifth Avenue, they have some great window displays. And these are great. Again, photo ops. So these are memories that you can keep, but they go all out and they have some great, and it's free. It's free to walk up and down and look at the Christmas lights and take photos, things like that. So you might want to head over there and you want to get some photos from that. And then Broadway Under the Stars. This is another free event. So if you are in the city and you are around in the evening time on Mondays, they have Broadway Under the Stars. It's a first come, first serve kind of thing. So you don't have a ticket to it, but you'll be able to see some of the shows for free. You'll be able to Google it online and find out the whole lineup. But that is a great one to go to if you are in the city. And then, of course, if you miss out on that or you just want to do a regular Christmas show, New York has some great Christmas shows from the Rockettes to the Nutcracker. They have Mariah Carey. They have Jingle Bells. Just have so many things that you can do, and these are all paid events, of course, that you can do right now for the Christmas season. So you might want to catch a Christmas show during this December in New York City. Then the one Vanderbilt observation deck. This is not really Christmas themed, but if you are in the city, you might want to check this out. It is newer to the city. You can see they have views kind of like the edge, but it's like a whole experience that you might want to try. Again, this is a ticketed event, so this will cost you. It is not free, but it is a good experience, and you'll get some great photos from this. FAO Shorts, you got to go no matter what. It's just a great Christmas store. It's a great toy store, and not a lot of toy stores left. So FAO Schwartz during Christmas time, so cute, so pretty, and you can pick up a few things too for the kiddos if you want. And then Christmas shopping. So you have Fifth Avenue, you have that, but then just around the city is going to be decorated pretty. You're going to have different shops, just so many things to do. And it's just a fun thing to do. Shopping in the city is always fun, but around Christmas time, it's Christmas theme and it's nice and it's fun to do. And then we're going to end it off with Central Park. So Central Park will have plenty fun things to do.